I bet you didn't know the wind, water, and sand hold the keys to your prosperity. Today, let's unlock them together. You are highly welcome. Be blessed via the wind, water, and sand that our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, uses to sustain all humans to live and witness His creation and return praise to Him. We are blessed and empowered to achieve greatness through the constant work of the wind, water, and sand that monitors all the activities on the earth without mistake to avoid blacklist afterlife. We are truly blessed each day of our lives. Today is Nkwo Market Day in Igbo land. May you prosper in your daily activities and place food on your table. Isi, may uncountable customers patronize your business. Ise, may the wind, water, and sand that constantly sustaining your life guide your footstep in all that you are doing that is right in the presence of our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiyama Ise. May the wind, water, and sand that knows the suitable things that suit humans' life brings your daily portion of good things to you. Ise. May the wind, water, and sand work on your prayer request according to the loving kindness of our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, have for His children's that dwellings on earthly realm. Ise, blessings from Obi Nuku Chineke, aka wind, water, and sand. The blessings of the universe. Ise, from Onya Indu Ikuku Achinik,